some reason did not disconnect the safety chains and tried to drive off.
With the trailer.
With the trailer, yeah.
Still attached.
So I dragged that a bit.
So all in all, this trip just has not been our best work, and we're glad it's not our last one. So we have everything that you could possibly think of for towing a trailer.
Except for brains.
Except for brains.
And we're back. So yeah, I just try to drag that away. Ironically, I mean not ironically, thank God. A couple weeks ago, maybe a month or two ago, I said, like, what are all the things we need if we like blew a tire and this and that? So I got this nice little portable jack. I inserted a picture of right here. I mean, we left Friday late, so I was grumpy because of work.
In that spirit, we set forth.
We got there, I forgot the trailer rolled after we had it disconnected. And we still don't really know why. I think the gravel gave way. We had to jack it up and fix that. We forgot some of our hygiene products. We forgot spray for cooking. We went to go get a drink where we got married, and it was closed. Made dinner last night, and then luckily, seconds later, it started raining.
I mean, we're talking, we brought the food inside, took a bite.
Sat down and it started raining, yeah.
And it started raining.
And then people around us partying like maniacs. Crappy weather last night.
Yeah.
Well, actually, hooking up the camper this morning, I was not thinking and just doing everything out of order, causing us to take longer. And then dropping off the camper now, I disconnected everything but the chains like an idiot and tried to drive off, dragging that, so I had to jack that up and fix it. So now Mel's driving because I can't be trusted. One of our second from last camping trip for the year.
Yeah, one more. Halloween weekend.
We're bummed. But we'll have rounded the year out with 8, maybe 9 camping trips, which is good because we got the camper in July, and I said if we used it 4 times, I'd be happy, like we got our money's worth, so.
I was trying to open the moonshine, and I can't.
I want everyone to know that I was just trying to open it and really struggling, and Mel said, do you want help?
But he has bad wrists, okay?
So as soon as I put the camera down, she hands it back to me. I gave it a little boop and opened it on first try, which of course she's trying to insinuate she loosened it.
I did. That's how that works. Yeah, we typically try to find places that have a lake, some sort of water. That is our end-all be-all goal, to live on the water.
So hopefully we're here one day. Not here, but somewhere close. Oh gosh.